At Omron, we're proud to be a one-stop shop for machine vision applications. Our extensive portfolio lets us build end-to-end, fully integrated solutions for any factory automation requirement, including robotics, motion, and more. We've been in the automation business for over 90 years, and we've been innovating in the machine vision space since its beginnings in the 1980s. We've got fully integrated compact smart cameras, robust and high-performing industrial cameras, and powerful vision systems that use artificial intelligence to achieve human-like defect detection. You can skip the hassle of making technologies from different vendors talk to one another when you use vision products that are already built to communicate smoothly. It's also much easier to scale up or down as needed. Take advantage of a vision portfolio that's the most diverse and comprehensive on the market today. No matter the need, Omron can provide a solution.